Attitude, where we tell you your future.
Taurus 2021. Let's look at the year ahead. Taurus Horoscope 2021, the phase of gains and growth. The planetary situations will remain supportive of your professional life. As per Taurus horoscope, you will grow in terms of knowledge and personality during this phase, and you will do very well in your career. You will find new and creative ways to get things done, and this is going to make things better for you. You are likely to see benefits to your undertakings. Overall, you will be in a happy mood, due to which your performance will also increase. However, there will also be some days when you will feel demotivated. But as the period progresses, planetary situations as per Taurus astrology seems beneficial for your career growth and expansion. You are likely to feel more confident and enthusiastic about your ability to earn. As of the financial front, the year may begin on a satisfactory note. You will receive a lot of opportunities that will be beneficial. However, there will be some phases when you may face some expenses about social commitments. As the year progresses, you will receive good opportunities for growth in fortune and gain in wealth. The mid parts of 2021 will be a good time for long-term investments. It is a good time to implement your economic plans. As the year progresses, post mid-September, you will try to take your financial status to a new height with a decisive plan and new thinking pattern. The middle parts of 2021 will be a good time for long-term investments. It is a good time to implement your economic plans. As the year progresses, post mid-September 2021, you will try to take your financial status to a new height with a decisive plan and new thinking pattern. But do not get tense, suggests your astrology. 2021 Taurus horoscope shows good positive vibrations. As far as your love and relationship segment is concerned, you will have good positive and beneficial vibrations of your destiny, which will give you better results than before. The Taurus horoscope states, this year will be the most important and decisive in your relationship to take your love life to a new stage. Intimacy and good days are there, but the over expectations may hurt you on certain days. There would be some days during this year wherein you will have to control your negative emotions and refrain yourself from speaking harsh and bitter words. There would be days of enjoyment and love with intimacy, but some delay on certain days. Overall, you may notice that the favorable celestial energies are working positively as compared to the previous year, shows your Taurus horoscope. The Taurus astrology shows that as far as your education and academic segments are concerned, this year may prove to be supportive and beneficial to accomplish your expectations. In other words, this year is going to benefit you in numerous ways. But you should avoid being lazy and should study and revise all your subjects daily. Make the best use of every important thing that could take you closer to your dreams. People who have been trying to attempt the exams for the second time also will pass during this phase. Opportunities don't come always, and you have to go for it when you get it. Especially the mid-year is going to be a good time for you to answer any entrance tests or examinations. Hence, don't be lazy this time around and submit your assignments and projects on time. On the whole, the major part of this year appears good for you, as a lot of golden opportunities are going to come your way in accordance with your Taurus horoscope. Taurus horoscope 2021 will help you clear your doubts. As for your conjugal and family life, you need to work on finding out what it is to improve the present state of your marriage and family life. Several commitments towards your family and closed ones are very important if you want everything to be smooth enough. Jupiter's benefic aspect will help you to clear doubts confusion and uncertainties in your relationship. However, there will be some phases in which planets will teach you some lessons and may also push you to understand the value of commitment. Further, your tendency towards seeking more playfulness may cause problems in your relationship. This may create some distance between you and your loved one, in accordance with your Taurus yearly prediction. In the health and fitness segments of Taurus 2021, most of the months this year seem very beneficial, in which you will experience sound health, but mood swings are likely to affect your performance. Due to Jupiter and Saturn's auspicious transits, you will remain energetic and fit. During the middle months, it will be the best time to invest your energy behind some serious projects. During the second half, you will be very happy with the outcome of several important areas. This is the best time to spend time playing outdoor games and having fun time with people you like. Taurus Wealth and Property Horoscope 2021, a good time for investments. As far as your wealth and property prospects are concerned, there is a possibility of receiving the financial benefit in the beginning months of this year in accordance with Taurus Wealth Horoscope 2021. This can also be a good time to invest in fixed or immovable assets. Diversification of your funds, if needed, can also be possible here. However, there will also be some phases where your fiscal matters may remain at a mediocre mode, in which you are likely to feel more dissatisfied. At the same time, your daily expenses will now move at a slower pace. Some expenses towards religious activities are also expected. Taurus Property Astrology prediction states that as the year progresses ahead of mid-April, you will be able to create good wealth and assets. However, you may need to take a review of your old investments. If you think short-term gain, you may face difficulties. However, there will be some phases in which some unnecessary expenses will increase, which may probably cross your budgetary limits. As time passes, you can undertake new initiatives on the financial front this time. This is a very good period for gaining success, increasing monetary benefits and raising your luck. Taurus Property Horoscope 2021 says there may be financial issues. Further, post mid-August 2021, you will be economically benefited, but don't expect large money increases as is seen in Taurus Wealth and Property Horoscope. This also includes monetary benefits received from family members or close friends. As the year progresses, you may get your outstanding funds released. However, you will need to pay more attention to secure investments, especially mutual funds, government schemes, FD, etc. The money will be spent on religious, recreational activities and charitable activities. However, there will be some days in which there will be a little friction about finance and money. Amicably sorting out of conflicts without being too assertive and avoiding legal tangles will benefit you at this time, as per Taurus 2021 Wealth Horoscope. Taurus Career Horoscope 2021 says your sales will grow. As per the Taurus Career Horoscope 2021, at the beginning of the year, you will feel more eager and less patient to make things happen in a particular way. You will also achieve success, but to a certain extent and a boundary. Sometimes you will be a lot busier than you normally are at this point. There will be some days in which you will also face disturbance during routine activities. Also, some kind of disturbances can make your task more challenging and breathtaking. But with skills and intelligent ideas, you will be able to generate some speed in the business and growth in sales, predicts Taurus 2021 Career Horoscope. As the year progresses, post mid-April 2021, transiting planets, especially Saturn and Jupiter, will be making you aware of where things stand and how particular stuff works. Planning, preparation, and strategizing will be the key words for you in this period. However, there will be some days in which you will be confused and probably will not know about the path to choose for your business-related activities. Apart from your hard work and efforts, things will not move smoothly, foretell your Taurus career astrology prediction. There may be distractions and some sort of disturbance, and as a result, your mind will keep wandering off. Taurus career and business horoscope 2021 sees you more involved in business. The findings in Taurus 2021 career horoscope shows that as the year progresses post mid-July 2021, you will be trying hard to meet your goals and ambitions. You will wish to speed up your business related activities and transactions to meet your level of expectations during this year. The planetary influences will be shifting your focus from one option into an entirely different and new opportunity. Your relations with other associates and top government officials will also remain smoother. The pace of progress in the business and its sales is likely to start picking positive momentum and will turn to be more in favor. Further, your Taurus career horoscope predicts that in the period post mid-October 2021, planetary transits will let you be motivated and inspired about progress in the business and sales. The level of involvement will be at the top level and higher than it usually is. However, there will be some days in which you will need to think twice and research well before making essential commitments to any client or workforce. On such days, clarity of thought would also be missing and you might be sort of confused in business decision making and transactional activities. So, it would be better to review all matters carefully which affects your business dealings. Taurus Love Horoscope 2021 sees more enjoyment. Taurus Love Horoscope shows that during the early months of 2021, you will feel a little relaxed in matters related to love and relationship. In this period, you will try to come out of some past dual and negative thinking and you will feel satisfied internally. In other words, you will be enjoying life better than in the past. Cultivating a little more patience is going to pay you a good, happy life. The Taurus Love Horoscope shows that as the year progresses, a beautiful conversation will be helping you both to feel the real love and give you the feeling of planning for a trip. Some more happy moments will come in your life after mid-February 2021. As the year moves post mid-April 2021, you will feel like spending some money on yourself and on your partner, which will give you a good result. Your hope of positivity will surely give you good results. With good thoughts and a positive attitude, harmony may prevail in your relationship. As in the Taurus 2021 love predictions, despite your stars moving gracefully, you will have to be a little cautious while dealing with relationship matters. There will be some days in which your partner may get angry with you on silly issues. Hence, try to avoid that by being cool and calm as before and let the time pass. Taurus Love Horoscope 2021, you will become more understanding. As the year progresses post mid-August 2021, you will have some good thoughts of romance in your mind. As time moves on, you will feel that you are having a hard time understanding each other. You may feel your patience is being checked, so keep a guard on your temperament. You may get angry with your partner because of some reason. Dissatisfaction and low patience may still prevail, but you will surely manage to cover the gaps that show the Taurus love life in 2021. Taurus Marriage Horoscope 2021. As revealed by Taurus Marriage Horoscope, the natives of Taurus zodiac sign will have to suffer due to the influence of Jupiter, the shadow planet, in their married life this year. Because of Jupiter's presence in the 7th house from your zodiac sign will create many marital troubles. At this time, you will have to control your words, otherwise things can worsen in case you say something rude or controversial to your partner. Even between February and April, the aspect of Mars will lead to a rise in stress and nuisance in the relationship. In such a situation, act wisely and control your anger, otherwise, your life partner may get hurt emotionally. Since in the middle of the year, that is between May 4th to May 28th, the transit of Venus is going to take place in the ascendant house in your own zodiac sign, which will prove to be auspicious. As a result, children in marital life will benefit and make progress, and you will be seen supporting them to the fullest. However, your married life will remain stressful as per Taurus 2021 marriage predictions, because there will be ego clashes between you and your partner, where both of you will struggle to dominate the other. But at this time, you will understand your responsibilities towards your children and can also take some decisions together which will positively impact your children's life. The months of April, August, September, and November will be very good for your kids, as predicted by the Taurus 2021 horoscope, since the auspicious aspect of the planet Jupiter will lead them towards progress. However, the first week of March to April will not be favorable for the children. At this time, they may feel hindered in their studies. If your children are planning to go abroad, then the time between April to May will be good for them. Further, the period post mid-July 2021 requires you to be calm and respect everyone's views, because if you don't do so, then you may not fit well into a larger social circle. Intense arguments cannot be ruled out, but love will seem to overcome every hurdle and obstacle. You may get frustrated when someone's perspective is completely different from yours, and it will reflect very clearly in your day-to-day dealings. As the year progresses, the mutual attraction coupled with passion could give you the opportunities to develop harmonious relationships, and you are likely to feel content. Further, the period post mid-October 2021 will help you to come up with effective solutions as per Taurus Marriage Horoscope 2021. Planetary forces will help you to be more tolerant and accept opposite views. Also, your need for togetherness will come into play strongly during this time. You are ready to attract more harmonious interactions with others at this time, and this will not only boost your self-esteem but also enhance your overall well-being. Look for creative ways to express yourself and to bring in harmony in your relationships. On the whole, the celestial situations will be on your side this year. Taurus Health Horoscope 2021. According to the 2021 Taurus Health Horoscope, Taurians will need to pay more attention to their health than usual this year, because the shadow planets Jupiter and Saturn will be in the 1st and 7th house of your zodiac sign respectively, which will record a fall in your health levels. Along with this, Mars will also transit in the 12th house of your zodiac sign in the beginning of this year, and during this time the conjunction of Sun and Mercury will also be in your 8th house, which won't prove to be good from the health point of view. Therefore, for Taurian natives, several problems are likely to rise. Based on the predictions provided by Taurus Health Astrology 2021, the months of February and March are looking very unfavorable. During this period, any of your chronic diseases will come back and trouble you. However, you will get timely relief from such issues. This year, it will be necessary for you to avoid all kinds of fried and oily food and protect yourself from eye, waist, and thigh-related problems as much as possible. Women may also face menstruation-related problems. Taurus Education Horoscope 2021, you will make good academic progress. From the starting of the year, planetary moves will help you find desired progress in your education and academic matters, tells your Taurus Education Horoscope. In other words, planets are going to impact your academic segment positively. Hence, prepare well for the examinations and ace all the tests. The dreams which you have been thinking of achieving are going to be fulfilled this year, and it's going to bring in an abundance of joy and happiness in your life. The 2021 Taurus Education Horoscope prediction shows that the most important fact about this year is higher chances of abroad settlement if you are planning to go for higher studies abroad. As the year progresses post mid-April 2021, you are going to get unexpected benefits and results. You should use all this to improve in your studies. Hence, grab it and use it for making things better in your life. Planetary forces, especially Jupiter's transit, will help you get rid of all the problems and unwanted obstacles in which your time, energy, and money could get wasted. However, there will be some days in which you have to make a proper timetable for your studies and divide your time accordingly for study and leisure. Taurus Education Horoscope 2021, you may clear important exams. Further, as per the Taurus Student Horoscope 2021, the period post mid-August 2021 seems favorable for appearing in the entrance examination and competitive exams. This time is perfect, and if you put in a lot of effort, you will enjoy all the benefits. Perhaps you will be trying new creative things to make your career future strong. However, there will be some days in which you have to be very careful in taking decisions regarding higher studies. One wrong decision can disturb the path of your fruitful career, and it would be good if you do things in the right manner. As the year progresses, it will be a good time for the completion of your tasks and projects. Overall, this whole year is very progressive, enriching, and successful from your education point of view. The later part of 2021 is going to bring in a positive impact for you, and it will help you in doing well in your examinations and scoring high marks. It's also very important for you to take care of your health. Don't neglect your health during this period. Eat healthy meals and keep yourself hydrated, says your Taurus Education Astrology prediction. Have a beautiful year ahead, all you Taurians.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.